The world's largest investment firm is known as BlackRock, and they had earnings out today, and they were terrible, down 22%. The assets under management of the largest asset management firm in the world fell from over $10 trillion not long ago to $8.5 trillion. I think that's good news, and here's why. Number one, BlackRock, even though they're the world's largest, is a proponent of what I believe is woke investing, ESG, environment, social justice, governance, which is the gender quota agenda. And they're very famous for that. At the same time, they're chastising American companies and telling them to line up with this progressive agenda. They're investing heavily in China. And I think that's very hypocritical. The American people are waking up. And guess what? Assets aren't going to BlackRock to the same degree. Yes, the market's down, and that's part of the reason that they've lost dollars that they're managing. But part of it is people are waking up and saying, hold on, I don't want to give my money to a woke company that's going to invest against my values. We've been instrumental in pointing this out, as others have been, of the hypocrisy of BlackRock and Larry Fink and all that they're doing. So the good news, when the Wall Street Journal reports that their profit falls 22% and their assets are down to $8.5 trillion, maybe that's an indication that the American people are starting to weaponize their money. We don't want to invest in things that will hurt our values. We don't want to invest in companies that are promoting a very far left progressive agenda like ESG. We want to invest in companies that support our values. That's why we started the National Security Investment Consultant Institute to help people weaponize their money to support liberty, security, and values. So when I see a report about BlackRock and their profits down and they're losing assets, I take that as a sign that we're actually gaining ground. This is Kevin Freeman from the Economic War Room.